guys, welcome to Athena tutorials. This is Nagashri Bharadwaj. Today let's solve the question number 3 of exercise 6.3. Let's look into the question. Find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. So here we need to find the square root of 100 and 169. But by repeated subtraction method. Okay, how to solve this problem? See, they have given the word subtraction. We need to do the subtraction. How it is done? So first we have to look into the given number, that is 100. So then we have to subtract this 100 by the odd number. So the first odd number is 1. We will get some answer. 100 minus 1 is 99. Then this 99 should be subtracted by the next odd number. After 1, it will be 3. I'll show it here. After 1, it will be 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. It goes on. Okay. Likewise, okay, what is 99 minus 3? We'll get 96. We have to continuously subtract until we get the answer as 0. Okay. So, let's get started. I'll erase this and I'll start from first. Okay. So, 100. They have given the number 100. We have to subtract it by 1. It is the first odd number. We will get the answer as 99. Next 99 should be subtracted by the next odd number. It will be 3. 99 minus 3 will be 96. Then 96 should be subtracted by next, that is 5. We will get the answer as 91. So after 5, which is the odd number, it is 7. So 91 minus 7, we will get the answer as 84. Next, 84 minus 9. We will get the answer as 75. I'll continue here. 75 minus after 9, it will be 11. 75 minus 11 is equal to 64. So 64 minus 13. What will be the answer? It is 51. So 51 minus 15. We'll get the answer as 36. Next, 36 minus 17. We'll get the answer as 19. So 19 minus 19. We'll get the answer as 0. So finally we arrive to 0. How? Plus 19 minus 19 gets cancelled. We'll get the answer as 0. Now we have to check how many times we have done this to get 0. Until we get 0. Okay, let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 times we have done this in order to get 0. So by this we can clearly say the square root of 100 is 10. Okay, if you want to cross verify, let's do 10 tens are 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 ones are 1. So 0, 0, 1. So we got the answer as 0. So 10 is the answer. Okay. Let's solve another problem so you can clearly understand it. Okay. The next number given here is 169. Okay. Let's start from here. So 169 is the given number. So the first odd number is 1. So we'll get the answer as 168. Okay, so then 168 is subtracted by next odd number. We will get it as 165. So then 165 is subtracted by next odd number. We'll get the answer as 160. So 160 is subtracted by 7. We'll get the answer as 153. And 153 is subtracted by 9. We'll get the answer as 144. Next 144 minus 11. We'll get it as 133. Next 133 is subtracted by 13. After 11 it is 13. We'll get the answer as 120. So 120 is subtracted by, after 13 it is 15. Next odd number. So it will be 105. So 105 minus 17. We'll get the answer as 88. I'll continue here. So 88 is subtracted by 19. We'll get the answer as 69. Okay, then 69 is subtracted by 21. We'll get the answer as 48. And so 48 minus 23, we'll get the answer as 25, and 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Finally, we got 0. Okay, now let's check how many times we have done this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we have done this 13 times in order to get 0. So the answer is 13. In order to cross verify, just let's multiply 13 into 13. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So 9, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1. So finally we got the answer 169. So the final answer is 13. I hope you have understood this problem. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe. Let's get in touch with the next problem in the next series, in the next session. So until then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.